How to open Comerica bank account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can open Comerica bank account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar and there type in www.comerica.com. Then press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to their official website. After that, head over to top right. There is this login button. You have to click on it. Since we don't have an account yet, so in order to create a new account, click on Enroll option or Enroll button. Then you'll be taken into this interface. Now you can create your account. The first step is to enter your account information. So first of all, enter your date of birth. Enter your primary account number. Under that, you have to select your account type and then your customer type. So once you're done entering all your account information, then click on Continue Setup. And on the next step, you have to authenticate your account, where you have to enter all your necessary documents in order to verify your identity. After that, on the third step, you have to accept all the terms and conditions. And once you're done, on the final or the last step, you have to create your account, where you'll be prompted to create your username, your ID, or your password. So once you complete all of these steps right here, you will have an account on Comerica Bank online banking account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.